Thousands of little things like that that help improve production. General Assembly kind of operates in kind of a U, so it goes, cars come in over there, go all the way down here.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about how Tesla builds cars. Tesla builds cars by developing software on unique hardware, much in the way Apple develops the iPhone, or Microsoft leverages Intel chips and Dell PCs. This enables the company to improve its car's software functionality every few weeks. Tesla Motors was founded with the goal of creating an electric sports vehicle. Tesla's chief executive officer was Eberhard, and its chief financial officer was Tarpenning. The firm received funding from a number of sources, including PayPal co-founder Elon Musk, who invested more than $30 million in the new endeavor and served as chairman of the board of directors starting in 2004. Tesla Motors debuted its first automobile, the fully electric Roadster, in 2008. It has a range of 245 miles or 394 kilometers on a single charge, which is unparalleled for a production electric vehicle. Additional testing revealed that the Roadster's performance was equivalent to that of many gasoline-powered sports vehicles, with the Roadster accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds and reaching a peak speed of 125 miles per hour or 200 kilometers per hour. Carbon fiber was used to construct the car's lightweight body. Because it didn't have an internal combustion engine, the Roadster had no tailpipe emissions. Tesla Motors discovered that the car's efficiency ratings were comparable to 135 miles per gallon of fuel, 57 kilometers per liter. Lithium-ion cells, which are commonly used in laptop batteries, were utilized to power the vehicle's electric motor, which could be recharged using a regular electrical outlet. Despite a $7,500 federal tax credit for buying an electric vehicle, the Roadster's $109,000 price tag made it a premium item. Eberhard resigned as CEO and President of Technology in late 2007 and joined the company's advisory board. In 2008, he announced his departure from the firm, but he remained a stakeholder. Tarpenning, who was also vice president of electrical engineering and was in charge of the Roadster's electronic and software development, departed the business in 2008. Musk was named CEO. Tesla's first public offering, IPO, in 2010 garnered $226 million. Tesla halted manufacturing of the Roadster in 2012 to focus on its new Model S car, which received critical accolades for its performance and design. It was available with 3 different battery choices, each having a range of 235 or 300 miles. The battery choice with the best performance accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, and reached a peak speed of 130 miles per hour. Unlike the Roadster, which had its batteries in the front, the Model S had them beneath the floor, which allowed for more storage in the front and enhanced handling due to its low center of gravity. Tesla Autopilot is a type of self-driving car developed by Tesla. Tesla began building supercharger stations in the United States and Europe in 2012, with the goal of charging batteries rapidly and at no additional cost to Tesla owners. Later versions of those stations were dubbed Tesla stations, and they could even replace the Model S battery pack entirely. In 2015, Tesla introduced the Model X, a crossover vehicle, i.e., a vehicle having elements of an SUV but built on a car chassis. The Model X had a range of up to 295 miles on a single charge and seats for up to 7 people. The Model 3, a 4-door sedan with a range of 220 miles and a price of $35,000, commenced production in response to demand for a more affordable car. Solar energy items were also added to the company's portfolio. In 2015, a range of batteries for storing solar energy for usage in homes and businesses was launched. Solar City, a firm that makes solar panels, was purchased by Tesla in 2016. The business changed its name to Tesla Inc. in 2017 to reflect the fact that it no longer only sold automobiles. Musk issued a series of tweets the following year, stating that he had obtained funds to take Tesla private. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States charged him with securities fraud in September 2018, saying that his tweets were false and misleading. Tesla's board of directors rejected the SEC's proposed settlement later that month, allegedly after Musk threatened to leave. Tesla's stock dropped when the proposal was rejected, and the board soon agreed to a less favorable settlement, which included Musk standing down as chairman for at least 3 years. He was, however, permitted to keep his position as CEO. Tesla and Musk were also fined $20 million each. So now, let's talk about their new carbon-wrapped motor. So as we already know, Tesla is always coming up with new methods to address problems big and small, and one such example was unveiled this week at the Model S Plaid delivery ceremony. During the presentation, Elon Musk briefly mentioned this accomplishment. "The new carbon-sleeved rotors for the motor are something we're extremely proud of," he added. "To the best of our knowledge, this is the first time a production electric motor has had a carbon overwrap rotor," he added. Elon also mentioned that it was difficult to produce a carbon overwrap rotor because carbon and copper had different rates of thermal expansion. It had to be coiled at extremely high tension. Elon stated that the team had to develop the mechanism that produces the rotor in order to reach his aim. Because no such machine had ever existed before, this was a first. This offers Tesla another advantage. He can make the electromagnetic field super efficient while maintaining a tight separation, even at extraordinarily high revolutions per minute. On Twitter, Alex offered a thought, to which Elon responded with further information about the new function. Elon claimed that the Plaid's carbon-wrapped motor is the world's most sophisticated motor outside of a lab, and that they had a few ideas for improving torque and max RPM for the next Roadster. Elon also explained how the fiber is coiled in greater detail. It's coiled at a high-tension load over the rotor. Tesla Automation designed the equipment that wrapped it. Tesla Automation was founded in 1983 as Grohmann Engineering in Germany. It changed its name to Tesla Automation in 2016 and is based in Prüm, Germany. The copper rotor must be compressed by the carbon sleeve, otherwise it will loosen at low temperatures. This is due to thermal expansion differences. The major advantage of the new motor is that the carbon sleeve rotor produces a stronger electromagnetic field than a metal rotor. These are generally composed of high-strength steel, according to Elon. The carbon sleeve also stops the copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration, allowing the rotor to spin at higher RPMs. Elon Musk has gone into further information about Tesla's new electric motor, the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor, and even hinted at a higher RPM version coming to the next Roadster. More details regarding the new powertrain technology that Tesla developed under its Palladium program for the updated version of the electric car were one thing we were looking for during the unveiling of the new Model S at the delivery ceremony last week. Musk said that Tesla's new motor is arguably the most sophisticated motor on Earth in another set of tweets, but he teased that the manufacturer is working on something even more powerful for the next Roadster. That's all for this episode, and we really hope you learned something new today from the video. If you did, tell us down in the comments section. It makes us feel good and motivates our team. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe if you already have not, and like the video. It takes 5 seconds of your time, but each and every one of you means a lot to us. Until next time, bye!